In this video, we're going to talk about our new RED KOMODO accessories. The top mount features a center ARCA Swiss standard dovetail shape and 1/4, 20, and 3/8 mounting points in a few places for attaching accessories. To the top mount, you can add our top plate, which has additional mounting points. This is great for adding some of our legacy products or attaching to a gimbal. You can adjust the top plate forwards and backwards to access your LCD screen here, and to tighten, you simply lock the thumb screw on the side. Another new item is our monitor hinge, which can attach to the dovetail slot. Simply install, lock the thumb screw, and now you have your Focus Komodo monitor directly on top of your camera body. You can also quick release this with a 15mm rod opening and go on to a mounting spud that's included with the kit. The top handle is also ARCA Swiss compatible, so simply drop that on, slide into place, adjust it so that it's not obscuring the LCD screen, and now you have 15mm rod openings for attaching focus motors, a shoe mount for attaching an on-camera light or microphone, and a side 15mm opening for attaching the monitor hinge, which we looked at a moment ago. Now you can grab your camera and carry it while still being able to see your LCD screen here. The Komodo features a Canon RF mount, and we've made a custom PL adapter for it. This is a shimmable mount for achieving the proper flange focal distance, and we've added 2 locking tabs to help install and remove lenses easily. On the bottom, we have a 1/4, 20 support foot for attaching a vertical support post, which is tied into our baseplate system. Our lightweight 15mm baseplate holds 2 15mm rods that are the correct distance from the center of the lens. The top is an ARCA Swiss standard dovetail shape, and to adjust, you can unlock the side thumb screw and move the camera forwards and backwards on the baseplate. The front of the ARCA Swiss dovetail has a vertical support post for attaching to our lens adapter or other third-party adapters with a 1/4, 20 on the bottom. The baseplate also features 2 ARRI standard rosettes, and on the bottom we have an ARRI dovetail slot. Simply unlock the side thumb screw, slide off, and now you've exposed an ARRI dovetail slot. Another feature of the baseplate is that it brings it up to the correct lens height on a bridge plate. So you can unlock this dovetail and install this onto an ARRI standard bridge plate, which we've done already here on our new quick release bridge plate. Drop this down, slide it forward, and lock the thumb screw. Now you have 19mm rod openings at the correct distance from the center of the lens, and you can go onto a dovetail. To attach a VMount or gold mount battery to the camera, you can use one of our new battery slides. This is our VMount version, and this is a prototype. The final version actually has the thumb screw adjustment on the left side, and we leave the right side open for attaching one of our new B-Box products. To install the prototype though, we'll simply align it with the battery slots, push in and down. Then we can install the LEMO connector on the DC input. The plate features 3 D-taps at battery voltage. We monitor the current so that if it exceeds 5.8 amps, the D-taps are cut off, leaving the camera powered. To restart the D-taps, simply push the reset button on the side. We can install our battery, and we also have a DC input, which is used for block batteries. The DC input takes priority over the onboard battery. The plate can be positioned in 2 ways. Flush with the top of the camera, or you can unlock the thumb screw, slide up, and now the plate is flush with the bottom of the camera. You can also adjust further by tilting or sliding. These products are all available in our store now.